Hello everyone, this is your host Hardy and you are watching Hardy's classes. So let's start the video.
Unstoppable, 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 unstoppable.
Today we are talking about Accountancy Class 11 syllabus starting the first chapter, Accounting and Introduction. We are going to have an introduction of this chapter. What is this chapter all about? So first of all, we have to know what is accounting. So basically, accounting is a recording or summarizing and classifying the daily transactions you are going to handle in your business, organization, or any NGO. Basically, accounting is totally made for recording, classifying of daily transactions. What does this mean? Suppose you have a business of clothing. I mean, you are a cloth merchant. So you have to purchase raw material. You are making dresses for that. You have labors. You have machines. You have factory for that. That means you have labor, factory, machines, and raw material and finished good and staff and transport, etc., etc. That means all these transactions you are having in a single day in your business or in your trade. So you have to record the attendance of labor, the maintenance of factory, the maintenance of machines, the purchase of raw material, the sale of finished good, what kind of stuff you want, and how it costs of transport of raw material and your finished goods. So all this you have to record for your future references so that you can compare yourself with your past or any other competitive firm. So basically, we are talking about accountancy. That means accountancy is nothing but recording or classifying the daily transactions you are having in your business. I think you are getting it. So basically, in our first chapter, Accounting and Introduction, we are talking about accountancy's importance. Second thing is its limitations, users of accounting, who can use accounts or who are using accounts, and comparison between accountancy and bookkeeping. That means how accountancy is different from bookkeeping. We are talking about that thing. Sorry, ignore my voice. So basically, accountancy is a subject where we record, classify the daily transaction we are having, and we are going to read what's the importance of accountancy, limitations of accountancy, accounting users of accountancy, and comparison between accountancy and bookkeeping. So basically, first 2 and 3 chapters are basically based on theory and introduction of your accounting because you are studying for the first time. You don't know what the subject is actually going to happen. You have read science in class 10th and so on later, and you can relate your class 11th science for class 10th and 9th, so and so. But accountancy, economics, business studies, management are like subjects which you have never read in your past life. These are absolutely fresh content for you and absolutely confusing content for you. So this is a basically introduction video. We are going to cover this syllabus in a very easy way, and I will try my best to explain the easiest method of your accounting, and believe me, you will going to crack this subject as your most done subject ever. So that's all it for today. Join our session on Telegram. The link is in description. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, That's for all today. See you in your next video. Bye bye. Take care.